Good morning, sir.
So, good morning. Good morning. How are you, sir?
Yeah,
We are
I,
meeting first time, I think so. We are meeting first time. So, could you introduce yourself so we will get to know each other?
yeah, definitely, sir. Yeah, my name is Sangappa. I'm connecting you from Bangalore because I'm staying in Bangalore. I'm from Karnataka. So, if I talk about my family, I have 7 members in my family. My parents, my wife. I have basically 3 kids. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done diploma. And if I talk about my professional, I'm working for KSRC. So, for 15 years. So if I talk about my hobbies are I love to read newspaper, I love to read the story books, and present I have one more hobby is that I interact with the people so to learn this language and get the fluency. So that's what nowadays English is very important. So that's what I have in this platform. Yeah, thank you, sir. That's all about me.
Yeah, so let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi city. It's my hometown where I live. And if I talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer. I work in private company as a graphic designer. And when it comes to my hobbies, so I like to play cricket and football. So that's all about me. So you have told me that you live in Bangalore.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, you are from Karnataka. You are from
Yes.
Karnataka.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm from
Where
Karnataka.
did you grow up? Where did you grow up? In Karnataka or Bangalore?
And actually, I'm from Karnataka, but I belongs to Bagalkot district. I born and brought up my native place. I born and brought up in a village. So it's a small village that which is category. Uh, Actually, nowadays my schooling and my diploma I have done in my city itself. So after that, I think past 20, 22 years, I'm staying in Bangalore because I came to Bangalore for a job. Before this government sector, earlier I was working in a private sector. So I think I worked 7 years in industries. So after that, I decided to work in government sector. So from 2009 to still date, I'm working till date. I'm working in KSRC, sir.
Okay, so you grew up in Karnataka. You
Yeah,
grew up in Karnataka.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so nowadays you are learning English language.
Yeah, sir. Because it's a global language. Everyone can access everywhere. If we want to speak with, I want to know everything throughout our Karnataka and our India. And I don't know you are from. Actually, I don't know your native language. You don't know my native language. And in our country, you have a 28 district, 28 states, but every states have their own native language. If I want to go any apart from our state, I want to visit any other states. So in that time, I don't know their native language. How can I survive? So it's very necessary. So if I want to go there, well English. I know if I know English, I can easily manage and we can survive in the cities. And one more thing is that nowadays, schools and the colleges also most of the schools and colleges are running in English medium itself. So if we have learned this language, we can teach to my kids. My kids also can elevate their communication skills. So that's what. So that's what I think it's been 3 months I am learning this language. And nowadays, if I compare to earlier days, now I have a little bit improvement in my language, in communication skill.
Okay, so
Yes.
you have been learning English for 3 months only,
Yes, yes,
but
sir.
you are speaking well. You are speaking well. So I think so that you have been learning English for a long time. Before you had idea about English language.
Actually, sir, when I was working in a private at that time, I didn't know English, but I had know about how to read and write. But that time I didn't have this type of platforms and environment. So nowadays, I think past 13, 15 years, we didn't have smartphone and this type of applications and privileges. Nowadays, we have so many privileges to learn this language. Nowadays, so many coaching centers are there. So apart from that coaching centers, we have like these platforms like a Skype application and Eyebrow application and Open Talk application. So we have to learn this language. So, before 3 months, I was, I didn't know how to speak. So actually, it was my passion to learn this language. So I had decided to learn this language when scrolling in my phone. I saw on YouTuber conversations. I inspired that why can't I speak like this? The people are speaking very well. So why can't I learn? So that's what I decided. And since then, I have in this pattern. And if I want to speak, our consistency is very very important. So if we have to learn, we have to enhance our vocabulary, and we have to learn basic grammars before that. So once we have to start automatically, we can elevate our communication skills. But consistency is very very important. We have to learn more vocabulary day by day, and we have to improve our communication skills. We have to interact with the peoples. We can elevate our vocabulary from the so many people. So we have so many peoples in these groups. So they are using different types of vocabulary, different type of accents. By communicating automatically, we can learn. So since 3 months, I have in this pattern, I am interacting with the peoples. I'm grabbing their vocabularies and communication skills. So nowadays I have yeah, in the one first level, I think so.
Yeah, you can say nowadays it's easy to learn English language, because if you talk about 10 years ago, 10 years ago, there was no any application, there was no any application where you could improve your English language. But now if you are eager to learn English language, then you can learn easily, because there are many application available, there are many
Yes,
application, and even you have Android phone, so it's your good partner to learn everything. If you want to learn everything, you can learn through YouTube channel, through social media. So it's easy to
yes,
learn everything today eras. So it's not like
yes,
difficult to learn something. But
yeah,
first of all, you have passion. You must have passion. You must have determination. Then you can achieve
yes,
everything, whatever you want, sir. So
yes, sir,
today era,
yes.
you can say everything is possible. Everything is
Yeah,
possible. Yeah,
of course, exactly.
yeah. So
Yeah,
when did you get Android phone, sir? Because you have told me that before, I think so 5 or 10 years ago, you didn't have any Android phone. So that time
yes.
you were not able to speak English language. So when did you get Android phone?
Yeah, I think I purchased it 2015, I think so. But I have purchased it 2015. But we didn't have idea about this application. So,
Okay.
when we are childhood, we have passion. But, we didn't have privileges to learn this language. Even when we are in a schooling and college time, our native school teachers and lecturers also, they were not speaking like this, because the environment is not was there at that time. So nowadays all teachers also speaking well, and lecturers are also speaking well, because they have platforms to learn this. They are improving their communication skills. Nowadays in every schools and colleges, teachers and lecturers are speaking very well. So if they are speaking well, then only students also can learn this language, and they can speak very fluently. Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. So you are using Android for since 2015.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so your all education happened in English medium or Hindi medium? Where did you study? Hindi medium or
Actually,
English medium?
no, ma'am. No, sir. Because I am from Karnataka. My mother tongue is Kannada. My schooling
Okay.
completely in Kannada medium itself. That time English was a subject, but that time we were writing and reading it is an English subject. So we
when you were
took as
when you were in
subject.
school, that time you read English subject or not?
Yeah, only one subject will be there. No?
Yeah, so how can you say that you are from Telugu medium? Yeah, you also read in 10th class. You also read English subject in 10th class. Also, I think so 12th class. So you had
Yeah.
idea. You had idea about English language. So you can't say that I'm from Telugu medium. Because
No, no, not
you have read English subject in your 10th.
yeah,
Yeah.
no, sir. When we were in our schooling time, it was in a subject, but we had know everything how to read, and we have a grammar, we have vocabulary, we have everything. but we didn't know how to speak.
Yeah,
Is it right?
yeah, it was
It
it
is,
was same problem. It was same problem with me. English
yeah,
was subject. English was subject. My teacher taught me only grammar, only
yeah,
grammar, not like how to speak in English language. I have
yeah,
practiced myself. Then right now I'm able to speak in English language.
yeah.
You know.
Yeah, sir, when we were in a schooling time, my English teacher was also teaching in Kannada itself. When he was reading lines and everything in English. So when he was explaining that time, he was explaining in my native language itself. How can we implement? How can we speak English? Is it?
Yeah,
So
you are
if he
right.
was in English medium, we didn't understand language. And
Language is learned by imitation. You have to imitate. You have to
yeah,
imitate. First, you have to choose one speaker which you like very most, and after that, you have to imitate. You know, so
yes, yes, yes.
imitation is very important to learn language.
Yes, sir. So when only we can learn everything, because we have so many vocabularies in this language. So many people are using different type of vocabulary and accents. So we have to imitate. We have to imitate the vocabularies again and again. Then only we can pronounce it easily, right?
Yeah, you are right, sir.
Sir, when
So
did you start your
yeah.
language?
Sorry, what
When
did
did
you
you?
say?
Yeah, when did you start your English journey? When did you
Actually,
start?
one
Yeah.
year ago, I started my English journey, sir, and I have also YouTube channel. Actually, 2 months ago, I started my YouTube journey where I have uploaded 90 videos so far. You know,
Okay, sir.
in order to learn English, I started my YouTube journey. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
also from Hindi medium. My all education happened in Hindi medium school, pure Hindi medium school. Yeah, you
Okay.
can say 1 and 2 years ago, I didn't know how to speak English language. Even I was not able to speak. Even I was not able to write. I could not write any sentence. I could not make any sentence. Yeah. So when I joined English class, that time I came to know about English language. What is the tense? What is the modals? What is the verbs? But before two
Wow.
years, you can say I didn't have any idea about English. You know. So
Yes,
you
yes.
can say by practicing, I have improved myself. Right now, I'm able to speak.
Yeah, the practice
Yeah.
is very important. Practice only key to the success,
Practice
right?
makes perfect.
So,
Practice makes perfect.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Your
Yeah,
English is also good. You are speaking also good. You are speaking also good, brother. Yeah.
yeah, because
So
the practice is important. We have to interact with the people consistently. We can automatically learn. So we can today I'm making a little mistake. Tomorrow I can improvement that. If I make mistakes, so many people are speaking. No, we can observing automatically. We can learn. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. When did you found this application, sir? When did you find?
Actually, one of my friend told me about this application. Then I came to know about this application. Before I didn't have idea about this application. Just I was using only one application that is called Hybro application. Hybro
Oh,
application. I used to use Hybro application before, but one of my friend told me about this application. So that time I came to know about this application. So since that time, I have been using this application. Yeah.
yeah. Nowadays you speak good English.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for appreciate me. You are speaking also good, sir. You are speaking also good. You are speaking without hesitation. You are
Yeah,
speaking confidently.
if we want to learn something, we have to first we have to overcome from fear and hesitation. So if we have fear and hesitation, we cannot learn anything. So we have to overcome from everything. Then only we can achieve anything. So otherwise, we cannot learn. We cannot achieve what we have kept a goal.
And according
Yeah.
to according to you, sir, which thing is very important to learn English language fastly? Which thing like learning, listening, reading, and speaking? Which thing is very important according to you? Because you have also experience.
Yeah, sir. Actually, if we are to learn this language, four things is very very important: learning, writing, listening, and speaking. But
But I want to know
first,
only one thing. I want to know only one thing, which is very important.
yeah, actually, two is important because before speaking, we have to listen more and more because without if I speak very well. uh, how can I speak? But we have to listen more and more. We have to read. Sorry, we have to listen. We have to watch YouTuber conversations. We have to watch English movies. We have to English contents. First, we have to grab how to speaking the people's which types, which skills they are using, they are speaking. So first, we have to listen more and more. But it may be audio call or video call. We have to watch everything. So once we have to listening more and more, automatically our mind will, yeah, we have to speak like this. So they are speaking like this. So we have to implement in this means we are automatically the words will come my mind through my mouth. So my opinion, two things are very very important. First one is the listening or watching, and another one is the speaking. So we have to interact with the people's daily basis. At least we have to speak one or two persons by audio call or video call. So speaking is very very important.
Yeah,
Yeah,
listening.
please.
Listening part is foundation. Listening part is
Yeah,
foundation.
it's foundation.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So